In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Microsoft account permanently. So if this video does help you out, please do leave a like and comment down below. So what you need to do is go to Microsoft.com. Once you're on Microsoft's website, you need to log into your account. So I'm already logged in here, but if you wasn't, you'd log in the top right hand corner. So then click on your account and go to My Microsoft Account. Once you're in here, you'll see some information about your account. What you need to do is click on Your Info, and it's going to take you to your profile page. It's going to tell you more information about your account. Here you can then scroll down and you're looking for how to close your account. So click on this and it's then going to take you to an article which explains how you can close your account. Now, before you close your account, you want to make sure that you understand that you're closing your account, and if it's linked with any Xbox Live data or any Skype accounts, you need to make sure that you've got all of the data that you want from those accounts. But then you can scroll down and go to the Close Your Account page. And here we can read a little bit more about closing our accounts. It talks about cancelling subscriptions and records and Skype credit, which you may want to keep your account for if you've still got stuff like this that you need. But if you want to delete it, click Next. And you have to check all of these boxes. So again, it's just reminding you that there's different accounts linked to your Microsoft account that you might want. So check all of these boxes and you have to check them individually. And then once you've done that, all we need to do is select a reason and mark account for closure. Then what's going to happen is in 60 days, your account will be permanently deleted from the database. Now, I do believe that if you made a mistake and you don't want to delete your account, you can log in within 60 days and you'll be able to recover your account. But that's how you can delete your account permanently. If that helps you out, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.